leading robotic technologies. Prodigio RTS. Hello and thank you for joining us. This is a tutorial on how to install the Prodigio RTS platform. First things first, go ahead and open up your web browser. I will be using Firefox. In the address bar, type in www.prodigiorts and then click on the Try It Now button. This is going to take you to your account information page where you're going to create a username. Below that, your email address, then confirm your email address, and the same with the password. And if you have multiple email addresses, make sure you remember which email address you're entering here, because we need to go back into our email, retrieve the email that we're going to get, and activate our account. And let's see here. Go ahead and enter in your password and confirm your password. If you enter in an incorrect password, it will prompt you. Here we can read the terms and conditions of use. Go ahead and accept the terms. And then below that, go ahead and enter in the code. And once you've entered in the code, go ahead and click the continue button. Here we're going to add in all of our personal information. The little red icons indicate the mandatory areas that need to be filled in. And once we've filled in all this information, make sure you scroll down to the bottom and select Submit. There we go. Now, we're almost there, but we're not quite there yet. You have signed up with Prodigio, you have created an account with Prodigio, and at this point, we need to go into our email address that we entered here and activate our account. And be careful, because a lot of times people think that once they've signed up and created an account that they're ready to go. And in fact, they're not until they activate their account by clicking on that link. If you haven't received the email, give it a few moments. It will be in your inbox momentarily. And here's the link I was talking about. If by chance you click on this link and it doesn't work, you can always copy and paste this link right into your address bar, and it will take you to the download page. You can copy and paste by right-clicking once you've highlighted the area. Same for pasting. All right, here we go. This is probably the most important page of the setup. You need to make sure that you select the right install for your computer. So for example, here we go. This to the left here is the Windows download. And if you have a Windows machine, go ahead and click Install Prodigio with the Windows icon. If you have a Macintosh computer, same thing. Make sure you click the Install the Prodigio to the right of the Macintosh. And the same goes for the two Linux installs as well. Be careful here, we have two different bit rates. Once I click that, it's going to start to download onto my computer. Select Save. And here we go. It's going to download in my Downloads folder, and it should pop up on your screen. You can always just double click that to launch the install application. If you cannot find it, just go into your Downloads folder, and it should be right there under Prodigio_Windows. Double click that. You want to go ahead at this point and run the application. Click on the Run button. And there we go. It's installing right on your computer right now. Just a few more steps and we'll be ready to launch the Prodigio platform. This is the setup wizard, so select the Next button. And here is the license agreement. If you want to read the entire agreement, you can click on one of these two links here. Go ahead and select the I accept agreement. Once you've done that, click the Next button. And this is going to install it right into your hard drive. This here is telling me that it's going to create an icon on my desktop. This is going to take just a couple moments depending on your computer speed. And here we are. At this point, we're completed the installation and we're going to select Finish, and it's going to automatically run the Prodigio platform. Here in this area, you want to enter the username that you had just created and password. Once you've entered that information, select the I agree /logon button. And here you go. Prodigio is now launching for the first time on your computer. We're almost there. As soon as this icon here turns green and says connected, we're good to go. Here you are. Enjoy. Happy trading.